alaikum. Today we'll talk about simultaneous equations, solving system of two linear equations by substitution and elimination. What are the simultaneous equations? Simultaneous equations are two or more algebraic equations that share variables like x and y or a and b and so on. They are called simultaneous equations because the equations are solved at the same time. And this is examples about simultaneous equation. Like this example, this equation and this equation doesn't matter which letter you use, but should have two or more letters. How to solve simultaneous equation? So to solve pair simultaneous equation, you need to use elimination or substitution method to get rid of one of the variable. So you have to find the value of one variable and then find the value of the remaining variables by using substitution method. Okay, see this example, solving simultaneous equation by elimination. We have two equations. We have 3x plus 2y equal 11, and we have negative 2x plus y equal negative 12. So how to solve this type of simultaneous equation? So to solve this one by elimination, you have number one to choose letter to cancel. So here in this one, I will choose x to cancel. So since you choose x to cancel, so you have to multiply its coefficient by the other equation. Like this, I will multiply negative 2 with the first equation and 3 with the second equation. But before multiplication, you have to opposite the sign of one of the coefficients. So here I will opposite the sign of negative 2 and I will make it 2. Now I will do multiplying with distributive. So from the first equation, I will have 2 times 3, 6x, and 2 times 2y, 4y, and 2 times 11 is 22. From the second equation, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6x, 3 times y, 3y, and 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. As you see here now, we have with x the same coefficient and we have opposite sign. Now, next step, I will add the equations together, but here the value of x, it will be 0. So we have 0x and y, we have 7y equal negative 14. Now 0x, you know, zeros can be disappeared, so we have 7y equal negative 14. Now I will solve this equation for y by dividing both sides by 7. So I will have y equal negative 2. Now, after we found y, I will substitute this value of y in the place of y in the first equation or in the second equation, doesn't matter. So I will substitute it in the first equation, 3x plus 2 times negative 2 in the place of y equal 11. Now I will solve this linear equation. If you need to know more about solving linear equation, please see our video about solving linear equation with the steps. All right, so after solving this linear equation, we will have x equal 5. So the solution of this simultaneous equation, x equal 5 and y equal negative 2. Now, solving this simultaneous equation now by substitution method. Now we have two equations, 2x minus 3y equal negative 1, and we have y equal x minus 1. Now how to solve this type of equation by substitution? Now here in the second equation, I have an equation for y in the term of x. So what I do here is to substitute this value in the first equation in the place of y. So I will write the first equation, but y, I will write it like a brackets here. Now inside the brackets, which is represent y, I will substitute the value of y in the term of x, which is x minus 1. Now I have a new equation with one variable, 2x minus 3 times x minus 1 equal negative 1. I will do multiplying with distributive, so I will have negative 3 with x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Now combining like terms here, you will have negative x, 2x minus 3x, negative x, plus the 3 equal negative 1. To solve this equation, move 3 to the other side and opposite its sign. So you have negative x minus 1 minus 3, it will be negative 4. Now multiplying both sides by negative 1, you will have x equal 4. So the value of x is 4. Now I will substitute this value in the second equation to find y, since y written in the term of x. So I will substitute it here in the second equation. You will have y equal 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 equal 3. So the solution of this equation, x equal 4 and y equal 3. Okay, so To solve pair of simultaneous equations, you have to use elimination or substitution method to get the answer by elimination or substitution by cancelling one variable and find the other variable, then back again to find the remaining variable. Thank you for watching us. See you next video, inshallah.